K&L Supply is proud to introduce the Strongarm II, designed to mount to K&L's MC680 tire changer, as well as many other models on the market. To assemble the Strongarm II, we recommend the following tools and that 2 technicians work together. Begin by removing all of the items from the box. Next, remove the cover off the bottom of the hydraulic cylinder housing. Mount the Strongarm to your tire machine with the included hardware. Slide the Strongarm to the top of the unit and tighten. Remove the bolt from the swing arm shaft and slide the shaft up. Insert the swing arm and slide the shaft through the openings. Insert the bolt to tighten the shaft. Route your hoses as shown. Reattach the cover. Next, slide the smaller shaft through the swing arm. Then bolt the swing arm onto the unit. Attach the pressing foot and lock into place. Attach the air fittings as shown. You can control the arm by using the toggle switch on the front of the unit. Your Strongarm II is now ready for use. For more information, contact us at 1-800-727-6767 or visit us online at www.klsupply.com.